Hello, my name is Albert Yashar with another Swift Sensors tutorial video. Today, I'm going to be showing our removing and restoring feature. Let's say you have a sensor on your account that you might have lost or have no idea where it currently is, such as this front door sensor on my account. You can remove a sensor from your page by doing the following. You click on the sensor, go to Edit, and then click on the yellow trash can button. Here you see the option to remove a sensor. Now that sensor is on your removed hardware list on your account. Let's say in the future you find this lost sensor and you want to restore it. You can come and click on this sensor, click on Restore, and click this blue checkmark button. The restoring will take around 3 to 5 minutes, but once it's restored, it will show up on your account again. After some time, the restored sensor is now back on my hardware list view, and I can do whatever I want with it as if it was never removed in the first place. For more information, please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.